Next.js is a popular open-source framework for building server-side rendered and static websites using React. Developed by Vercel, it provides a seamless and efficient way to create modern web applications with server-side rendering, automatic code splitting, and easy deployment. Next.js simplifies the development process by handling routing, data fetching, and server-side rendering, allowing developers to focus on building user interfaces and features. It also supports various features like dynamic imports, API routes, and static site generation, making it a powerful choice for building performant and SEO-friendly web applications. To manually install Next.js, you can follow these steps. 1. Initialize a new project. Create a new directory for your Next.js project and navigate into it using the command line. 2. Initialize npm. Run npm init to initialize a new package.json file. Follow the prompts to set up your project details. 3. Install Next.js. Use npm to install Next.js as a project dependency. Run npm install next react DOM to install the required packages. 4. Create app directory. Next.js follows a file-based routing system. Create an app directory in the root of your project, and inside it, create your pages as individual JavaScript or TypeScript files. For example, you can create layout.tsx for the layout and page.tsx for the content page. 5. Add content to pages. Populate the page files with the desired content and React components to define your website's structure and layout. 6. Start the development server. Run npm run dev to start the Next.js development server. It will watch for changes in your files and automatically reload the application as you make edits. 7. Open the app in your browser. Once the development server is running, you can access your Next.js app in your browser at http localhost 3000. 8. Continue development. You can now continue building your app using Next.js features like API routes, dynamic imports, and more. Refer to the Next.js documentation for more information on available features and best practices. Remember that these are the basic steps for manual installation. Depending on your project requirements, you might need to configure additional settings, modules, or libraries to enhance your Next.js application.